Hi, this is Master Ken. Today I will share with you the all accept. All accept. Now, the all functions will give you will remove all the filter. So as you can see here, it returns all the rows in the table of all the values in the columns. So ignoring any filters, so you see that there's a S. But what is the all accept? All accept says that remove all, also they also remove all, except the filters that has been applied to the specific columns. So this is the syntax. So first is take a base table and then there's a column. So here is the rules. The first arguments to the to the to this all accept function must be a reference to a base table, and all subsequent arguments must be reference to the base column. So you cannot use table expressions or column expression with the all accept function. So can't use an expression. You can't derive from another expression. It has to be just basic. So what does that mean? Okay, so what does this really all accept means? Well, let's take a look here. Now there's the order table. I have done some filter here. So and also here. Okay, so when you talk about that, the all function is that it it will clear all this. So every item it will clear. Okay, but but if you talk about the all accept, so you can go ahead and clear every other columns, but except those column that is specified that you don't clear it, don't clear it. So what's leaving is that uh the remaining, so it is that uh so the total will be based on the few the remaining table that with the existing data. So example here would be, because it's only in the beginning, it is like there are uh, many filter types, many filter applied to different column. But now, because of this all accept, so then you have to then the Power BI asks you, hey, which column that you want me to skip to clear. So I say that clear everything except the product. Clear everything. Okay, so go ahead and clear everything. So blah blah blah, and then come over here and choose. And this one, oh, this is accept. Okay, just don't do anything here. And that is exactly what it means here. So now let's look at an example. So in the area examples here, I have created a all accept. Okay, so we still calculate the total quantity, except that we any filters will be removed in the orders table. It will be removed except the products. Okay, if there is a products filter, keep it. So this is what it means here. So you can see here that yeah, here this is all accept. Okay, so the total quantity and the all accept at this point, it seems like it's the same. I actually basically just throw the all accept products here. So now because of that, on this row, at this row, right, this is on butter. So what it means is that originally maybe there are some applications, so maybe I can just drag another one here. Okay, a slicer. Mm. Yeah, I mean, I can just go ahead with the necessary size. It can be just a table, and I'll drag the year item. Where's the year item? Okay, year item is right here, and I guess click here. Don't summarize. I might have this here. Okay, it's very similar to like a slicer. So now let's go ahead and here see that here. Uh, so there's an external filter that is applying to this both set. But look at that. This is butter. Now all accept. So that's a year. Year is applying the filter here. And guess what? It has removed. For this total quantity, as has already done so this total quantity, what it says is that it basically done a step of this. Let me just clear everything first. Okay, so first it's done 2022. Okay, so the total quantity is already here, and then the next one is actually the butter. Is it butter? Let's see. Is that butter? Oh yes, it's a butter. So straight 2020. Okay, let's just go for 22. So it's 1,886. Okay, so let's just go over here. The butter will shows you that is 1,088. See, that's one. So this is what it means when you talk about the cell alert. But how about this OSAP? Well, what it does is that it doesn't care what you have on the external filter. It just go ahead and delete and remove all the filter and remove until that you see that okay. Actually, we need to have a filter here for the product, so therefore it just keep it. So therefore it has the 20,051 for the for this filter. See, then that is what it means when you have all accept. Okay, remove all the filter. The all means that all the filter except the butter in the case. Now, if you talk about this one here, um, now this is different. That let's say I have 2022, so we can see the total quantity just show the total quantity for 2022. So what does it mean for 14,000? Right? Is that because they only look at so basically it's remove air all the filter and and this one also the filter. They just clear it. Okay, that's clear. So I select this thing here. We got 15,154 something, like 154 something. Let's see here. No, this. Oh, I'm gonna have this. Okay. Uh, yeah, 154. Okay, for this is 2022, and for this is 154. See that? It's 154. So because that basically there's no filter for the product, so that means that it will be the same here for every row. Yeah, these are all. So it applies the same thing here for every row because in this here there is no products to be filtered as compared to this one here. There is a row for to filter for every row here. So there's a butter to you have to filter. There's a coconut you have to filter. So that's why it's a different value. And because it's keep that filter for every product, therefore you have a derive a different value. Uh, Ignoring all the external filter, you have this one here. Uh, it's it still ignore all the filters. You see, they still ignore. It's still 15,000. Sorry. They said um. Let's just go here. Yeah, let's just go here. How to read this thing? Okay. So let's go here. The format. Just put the. Okay, it's easier to read that way. Okay, 154 million. 154 million. See that? It doesn't really care whether you have a external filter. It doesn't care, right? It doesn't care. It's just that even you have a row filter, if it's not related to the one they want to skip, you just ignore it. Okay, it's just it's just remove all the filter except if your filter is related to the column that is specified, then it will keep it, right? So thanks for watching, and this is what it means: all except remove all the context filters in the table except filters that have been applied to the specific column. Okay, so I hope this is helpful to you. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. And I thank Jesus for giving upgrade.